In today's video, I will walk you through how to use CoinMarketCap to find trading opportunities. Start by checking the trading volume of cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap. On the homepage table, find the volume 24-hour column and click the column header to sort the coins from the highest volume to the lowest volume. Review the list and look for coins outside of the top 20 that have a high volume to market cap ratio. Focus on coins where the 24-hour trading volume is around 20% or higher compared with the market cap. Review these coins for increased trading activity and potential price movement. Next, check market sectors using the Categories tab located above the main cryptocurrency leaderboard. Open the Categories section and sort the available categories by 24-hour percentage change or volume. Identify the sector currently leading the market. Select that category and review the coins listed inside it. Look for mid-cap coins within the sector that have moved above previous resistance levels. After that, use the Gainers and Losers section. Open the Cryptocurrencies menu dropdown and select the Gainers and Losers page. For the momentum strategy, review the top gainers list. Filter the list by the top 100 or top 500 coins. Check the 1-hour or 24-hour performance. Look for major coins with strong gains and high trading volume. After identifying a coin, check for a small pullback on a lower time frame, such as the 15-minute chart, before entering a trade. For the oversold bounce strategy, review the top losers list. Change the view to the 7-day performance window. Look for large-cap projects that have experienced a significant drop. Review coins that have fallen around 20 to 30% over the week while their underlying network metrics remain healthy. Before trading an altcoin, check the holder distribution and market information. Open the coin page and select the Holders tab. Review the wallet distribution and check the percentage of supply held by the top wallets. If the top 10 retail wallets hold a large amount of the circulating supply, review this information carefully. Next, open the Markets tab on the same coin page. Check the liquidity score and the available trading volume across exchanges. Confirm that the token has sufficient liquidity and trading activity across multiple major exchanges. To find newly added opportunities, move to the Cryptocurrencies menu and select Recently Added. Review the newly listed coins and check their hourly trading volume. Monitor whether the volume stays consistent or increases during the first 24 to 48 hours after the listing. Use these sections on CoinMarketCap to review trading volume, market categories, gainers and losers, holder distribution, liquidity, and recently added coins when searching for potential trading opportunities. Thank you for watching.